In long division, what do you do when the divisor is larger than the first digit of the dividend? When this happens, you simply look at the first two digits in the dividend. Let's work through this by dividing 175 by 5. First check, does 5 go into 1? No, 5 is larger than 1. So we look at the first two digits, 17. Does 5 go into 17? Yes. Now use the 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Step 1, divide. 5 goes into 17 3 times. Write the 3 above the 7. Step 2, multiply. 3 times 5 equals 15. Write 15 under the 17. Step 3, subtract. 17 minus 15 is 2. Step 4, bring down. Bring down the 5 to make 25. Repeat the steps. Divide. 5 goes into 25 5 times. Write the 5 above the 5. Multiply. 5 times 5 equals 25. Subtract. 25 minus 25 is 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The quotient is 35. If the divisor is larger than the first digit of the dividend, look at the first two digits together. Then follow the same 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. One important reminder: if you're dividing into the first two digits of the dividend, write your answer above the second digit to keep place values correct. Now it's your turn. 294 divided by 6. Let's work through it together. Does 6 go into 2? No. So look at the first two digits, 29. Divide. 6 goes into 29 how many times? 4 times. Write the 4 above the 9. Multiply. 4 times 6 equals what? It's 24. Write it under the 29. Subtract. 29 minus 24 is... The answer is 5. Bring down the 4 to make 54. Divide again. 6 goes into 54 how many times? 9 times. Write the 9 above the 4. Multiply. 9 times 6 equals? It's 54. Subtract. 54 minus 54 is? Yes, 0. There is nothing left to bring down. The quotient is 49. When the divisor is larger than the first digit of the dividend, look at the first two digits in the dividend. Then use the 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down.